Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add PayPal to Google Pay. First, open up the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Once it's open, tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. This is where you can manage your payment methods, subscriptions, and purchase history. Then tap Payment Methods. Here, you'll see your current payment options and new ones you can add. Depending on your region, PayPal should appear as one of the available methods. Now tap Add PayPal. A new screen will open, prompting you to log in to your PayPal account. Just enter your PayPal email and password, then tap Allow to connect your PayPal to Google Pay. Sometimes, Google may ask you to verify your PayPal account by entering a code sent to your email or re-entering your password. Just follow the on-screen steps. Once that's done, your PayPal account will appear under your payment methods in Google Pay, and you can start using it for app purchases or subscriptions. If you don't see the PayPal option, make sure both your Google and PayPal accounts are set to the same country, and keep your Play Store and Google Pay apps updated. And that's it. That's how you add PayPal to Google Pay. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial. See you soon.